Hi guys! Let's create a handheld red-orange bouquet with 25 roses. Begin with 7 of our yellow new flesh roses on the table. Remove all unwanted thorns and leaves to display their gorgeous natural stems. Create your second layer with 6 stems of our red freedom roses. Place 5 stems of our orange big fun roses and add another 4 red roses on top. Lastly, place 3 more orange roses to complete your bouquet. Bundle them up nice and tight. To create a fuller bouquet, add some filler plants such as white gypsos in front and on the sides. Secure your bouquet with a thin rubber band. Then, trim their stems to your desired length. You can use matching ribbons or lace wraps to tie your bouquet together. And now, your sunset-colored red-orange rose bouquet is complete. Thanks again for watching.